Imagine tossing your baby off a rooftop or letting them nap in sub-zero temperatures. Sounds wild, right? Well, these aren't just random ideas. They're long-standing parenting traditions rooted in culture and science. In today's video, we're exploring the most fascinating and unexpected parenting practices from around the globe. And wait until you hear about number 3. It'll completely change how you think about parenting. Parenting may be universal, but every culture has its own take on what's best for kids. Some of these trends will make you gasp. Others will make you think, why aren't we doing that here? Let's dive into the world's most extraordinary parenting traditions. Baby tossing ritual, India. Our journey starts in India, where a 700-year-old ritual involves tossing babies off a 30-foot temple roof. Terrifying? Sure. Dangerous? Not really. The babies are caught safely in a large cloth stretched tightly by villagers below, and no injuries have ever been reported. But why do they do this? It's believed to bring good health, prosperity, and luck to the baby. This isn't just a spectacle. It's a deeply symbolic tradition that reflects the community's trust and collective care for its children. It's a way of saying, we're all responsible for this baby's well-being. This communal mindset is something we rarely see in modern parenting, where the burden often falls solely on the parents. While controversial, this ritual has sparked debates globally, with critics calling for its end and locals defending its safety and cultural significance. What's your take? Could you ever trust your baby to a tradition like this? Baby box tradition, Finland. Next, we head to Finland, where the government gives every new parent a cardboard box filled with baby essentials. This isn't just a thoughtful gift. It's part of a national strategy that has helped Finland achieve one of the world's lowest infant mortality rates. The box doubles as a baby's first crib, complete with a safe, snug mattress. Parents can also choose a cash grant instead, but 95% stick with the box, seeing it as a rite of passage into parenthood. What's fascinating is that this tradition started in 1938 to tackle high infant mortality rates among low-income families. Today, it's a symbol of equality, ensuring every baby, regardless of background, has a safe start in life. Finland's baby box idea has even caught on in other countries, like Scotland and parts of the US, as a way to promote safe sleep and reduce infant mortality. It's a perfect example of how a simple, practical solution can revolutionize child safety worldwide. Would you use one for your baby? Winter naps outside, Scandinavia. In countries like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, parents swear by letting their babies nap outdoors, even in temperatures as low as minus 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea? Fresh air strengthens the immune system and promotes better sleep. Parents swear their babies sleep longer and more soundly when they nap outside. Studies show that outdoor naps may reduce respiratory illnesses too. It's not uncommon to see rows of strollers outside cafes while parents enjoy a cup of coffee inside. A scene that would leave many people scratching their heads in other parts of the world. This tradition highlights the Scandinavian belief in nature as a key component of a healthy upbringing. The practice has even gained international attention, with parents in urban areas like New York and London experimenting with outdoor naps. What do you think? Extreme or genius? Naming ceremony, Nigeria. In Nigeria, a baby's name is more than just a label. It's a gift of identity and purpose. Families host elaborate naming ceremonies, complete with feasts, music, and blessings from elders. The name often carries deep meaning. For example, it might reflect the family's hopes, commemorate an ancestor, or mark a significant event. These ceremonies are a communal affair, bringing together friends, family, and neighbors to celebrate the baby's arrival. What's remarkable is how this tradition emphasizes community and legacy. It's not just about the baby, it's about the story they carry forward. Naming ceremonies are also becoming more popular globally as parents embrace the idea of meaningful names with stories behind them. What's the story behind your name? Share it in the comments. Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. Our last stop takes us to Spain, where the annual Baby Jumping Festival, El Colacho, combines tradition with a touch of theatrical flair. In this 400-year-old festival, men dressed as devils leap over babies to cleanse them of original sin and protect them from future misfortune. This tradition, part of the Catholic celebration of Corpus Christi, is deeply symbolic for locals. It's believed that the leap not only purifies the babies, but also shields them from evil spirits throughout their lives. The event is carefully managed, with no injuries ever reported. In recent years, the Baby Jumping Festival has gained viral attention on social media, sparking debates about tradition versus modern parenting safety standards. For locals, it's a cherished cultural event, but for outsiders, it often raises eyebrows. Would you let your baby be part of this leap of faith? Parenting around the world is as diverse as it is fascinating. These traditions may seem unusual, but they all share a common thread. They're born out of love, care, and the desire to give children the best start in life. Which tradition surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Love learning about global parenting? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends to see what they think about these traditions. And don't forget to subscribe for more surprising, fun, and eye-opening parenting content. See you next time.